If price eventually closes above this balanced price range, we are likely to see price gravitate to take out this external buy side liquidity. So the market is just opening. This is 9:30 a.m. So we are likely to see a sweep of liquidity too. But the way I'm looking at these lows, they are actually weak lows. But for the fact that we have seen a little bit of consolidation here, let us see how price works around this price point. Price is actually reacting off this strong liquidity level, the consequent encroachment of this 1 hour fair value gap right at the spot. Right, the price is taking a hit. It's taking a hit. So this particular setup will be invalid if price closes below this inversion fair value gap. So I may not even wait for price to entirely hit my take profits before I close my positions. It's 7 o'clock. uh, we are likely seeing a manipulation here, but being that it's an internal liquidity, I'm not so sure. If I see this candle closing below here, I'll manually close my positions. So let me see what we have on the 50 minutes chart. Price is actually in a very strong range, but I hope this support level is able to hold it. That's a very strong support level. See all this price action. Smart money is accumulating a lot of positions. So this thing itself is more like trading off inversion fair value gap, and in the inversion fair value gap I traded, you can see it clearly on the 5 minutes chart. I tried to enter with this inversion fair value gap after a sweep of liquidity. So nothing ever changes in my model. If this one hits stop loss, we wait for the next trade. Okay, so this right here is my inversion fair value gap. The rain today was so much, I couldn't even step outside my house. So the consequent encroachment of this inversion fair value gap is my entry. It's more like my strong level that backs up my narrative for this trade. So this level right here can prove to be a very strong level for price to break. But what I know is that whatever closes below this inversion fair value gap invalidates my price action delivery. So let's see how it goes. I like this open high right here. It's giving me like price is going to suck me in vibe. And on this price leg, we already had price taking this sell side liquidity. So this is a very open high. I'm loving the price action on Solana USDT. I caught one and missed one on Solana on the 5 minutes chart precisely. I got that inversion fair value gap trade on that reversal, but I was stopped out on my second entry. So it's a win win. See, one thing about trading is that once you understand your edge, you don't feel bad when you hit losses. Losses is just like our tuition fee that we pay for operating in this market. So, is this like a W pattern? I don't know what pattern traders will call this one. Usually, I don't like to see price dancing around my liquidity void. It gives me the nervous chills. I saw something nice on Solana USDT. I caught one on Solana and lost one on Solana. I caught this inversion fair value gap on Solana. I got this inversion right here, took profit here, but I entered here and got stopped out before price started to move up for Solana. So I'm expecting price to actually return to this 154 high that was printed last night. Anything is possible. I'm just trading to the upside because I have noticed that there is a liquidity sweep on this side, you know. So price, when it hunts one extreme liquidity, what it does is that it gravitates to hunt the opposite liquidity. Anyways, be that as it may, I don't like the price actually. I don't like what Bitcoin is printing right now. You know, I would have loved price to, you know, to make a high immediately. So let me see if there has been a close so that I can exit my position. So once this candle closes below this inversion fair value gap, I will gladly exit my positions. Gladly. I will gladly do that. So we are waiting for the close of that candle. The close of that candle determines my fate. Close below the gap, I close my positions and call it a day. If you close above, I will still hold on to my positions. So that is basically it. There is no mixed emotions about it, no two ways about it. It is what it is. Sometimes when I see uh, a bullish order block, like when I see a green candle forming inside this zone, I regard that as a bearish sign, because most of the times it is just the sellers accumulating positions to sell from that level. So I'm even more cautious right now. I'm even more cautious. So let us see how price reacts to this low before closing our positions. That's it, guys. My position has been closed. Yes, because I wasn't expecting price to invalidate my inversion fair value gap with this low right here. So once price closed below my inversion fair value gap, that was it for my trading day. So thank you for tuning in. I appreciate the love. I appreciate the love and care. Please don't forget that every day, coming back every day to the market is a plus for you, no matter how small you come and trade and show up every day, because showing up every day means a lot. Showing up every day will help you a lot. Alright, so I hope you found this video insightful, and I will see you guys in the next video. Hyper is signing out. So I think we are having a kind of a reversal. I would love to see how price reacts of these lows. Of these lows. Yeah. I want to see what happens there. I think I'll be watching the rest of the day from my smaller device.